Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide photos and videos on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Files app on your smartphone. From here, to hide the images, just tap on Images. Now from here, just select the photos which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now just tap on Move to Save Folder. Now from here, just confirm the pin of the save folder. Now just tap on Next. From here, as you can see, we have successfully hidden the images in the save folder. Now if you go back and if you scroll down, you can find a folder which is named Save Folder. Just tap on it. From here, just enter the pin which you have set earlier. Now just tap on Next. Now from here, as you can see, these are the photos which we have hidden. Now, if you want to hide the videos on your smartphone, just go back and tap on Videos. From here, just select the videos which you want to hide. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and select Move to Save Folder. Now just enter your password and tap on Next. From here, as you can see, we have successfully hidden the videos into our Save folder. Now if you scroll down and if you tap on Save Folder, now just enter your PIN and tap on Next. From here, you can find the videos which we have hidden. Now, as you can see, this is how you can hide photos and videos on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.